Hey guys, my name is Janelle. Welcome to Fork It Up with Neely. And today we're gonna try to do vegan pizza, okay? Check it out. Alrighty guys, so you're gonna take a bowl and you're only gonna put about 2 tablespoons of yeast, okay? Then you're gonna take a cup of lukewarm water, but you're only gonna apply a little bit of it. Okay, so you just wanna let that soak in for about 5 minutes, okay? So just put that aside. Then you're gonna take a bigger bowl and put 2 cups of flour in, and a pinch of sea salt, okay? Alrighty guys, so now that you let your yeast and lukewarm water sit, you're gonna combine it with the flour and sea salt. Make sure you take a fork because it's easier to mix up. I mean, you can do it with a spoon too, it's up to you. So slowly pour it in and start mixing everything together. Don't worry, it's gonna get doughy really fast as soon as you add in the water. And slowly pour in the water really slow. Gives it a better texture for the water and the flour to combine with the yeast. I'm gonna give you a little bit of a closer look. So as the water is, connecting with the flour, you're gonna make sure that everything gets together. Makes everything get together. So this is where you're gonna wanna get your hands a little bit dirty. You put a little flour on the dough. Okay. So then, you're gonna try to shape the dough as round as possible. Okay? As round as possible. Because this is how you know your dough is gonna rise. See how my secret is I take the whole dough from the outer part and squish it all the way to the bottom, the inside. Here's the dough pieces here. And shape the dough. You're gonna put a little bit of olive oil on it. So after you put it in here, you're just gonna take plastic wrap and you're just gonna wrap it over, okay? This is gonna keep your dough doubling in size. Okay, so you let it sit for a little bit. I usually to be honest with you, I like to let my dough sit overnight, but since this video is done in one day, we're gonna let it sit for like 2 hours. It'll still double in size within an hour or so. And I always like to put a towel over it. Alright guys, so before we make the homemade tomato sauce, my toppings personally, I'm going to put pineapples and peppers. It's a conjunction, I guess you would say, or a blush of mesh. I love the combination of pineapples and peppers. I don't know why. I usually put more veggies on, but these are a simple topping. Usually you could do something about a half a cup to a cup. It's really how much of a topping you prefer on your pizza. So play around, see what happens. Okay, so we're gonna put a little bit of olive oil in the pan. Let that heat up really quickly. Then you're gonna add in 2 cloves of garlic, 1/4 of an onion, half a tin of tomato paste, a full tin of tomato sauce. I also threw in, my recorder wasn't on when I did it, a little bit of oregano and jalapeno, halfway chopped, depending on how spicy you like your sauce. Okay guys, so we're gonna unwrap the saran wrap and we're just gonna put flour on the dough, and you're also gonna flour wherever you're gonna place the dough. It was totally last minute, guys. I was trying to find my roller. A roller is great to flatten out the dough, and you won't have any air bubbles, so when you cook it, it won't go bubbly. You know, it's not good for the dough, but however, I couldn't find one, so I used the bottom of my palm to really flatten out the dough, and a little bit of the side of my hand. It takes a little bit of a longer time, but if you have a roller, roll your dough. I'm definitely going to put it in another video when I do another doughy like type of food, but this is like a second option. It is going to take you a little bit longer. So I preheat my oven and then I set it for 420. I let the dough sit in there for about 5 minutes and you cool it down for about a couple minutes or so, and then we can start the sauce and the toppings. So there you have it, guys, vegan pizza. Thank you for watching. I'm definitely going to put all the recipes down below in the description box. Alright guys, thank you. See you then. There you have it, guys, vegan pizza. Thank you for watching. I'm definitely going to put all the recipes down below in the description box. Alright guys, thank you. See you then.